Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short, little unboxing video to share with you guys. This is a big box of stuff from BladeHQ, and I vaguely remember the conversation, but I do remember it that they were also being vague as to what they were sending. So it should be fun. It's kind of a mystery box of stuff from BladeHQ, probably stuff that they've got available on their website. So I will link it down in the description. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks to BladeHQ for sending this in. Let's go ahead and just, we're just going to tear into it. Probably not the right way to get into that box, but that's all right. All right, what do we have here? Blue stuff, and and a whole bunch of goodies from BladeHQ. Look at all these. Whoa, sick, look at that. So it didn't occur to me till after the video that a lot of this stuff was just included in the box for my kids to enjoy. It wasn't necessary. A lot of this is not necessarily like part of a BladeHQ event. It was just the marketing guy from BladeHQ and BladeHQ as a retailer just being cool. So I was too excited going through a lot of this stuff to initially understand that. But in hindsight, now I do. Thank you again, BladeHQ. Let's return to the unedited video so that you can enjoy and laugh at my confusion. Oh, come on. Come on. We gotta appreciate the rainbow coin here. We gotta appreciate it. What black magic has sealed this device? Here we go. Oh, now come on. That's just way too cool. I love this. It must be titanium nitride coated. For the sake of simplicity, it's just easier to say rainbow. In any case, this is obviously for it says just one more. Oh my god, I have to get. Listen, I'm obviously going to give these coins away, but I have to keep one. That's so cool. I love that. What's going on here? Oh my gosh, it's the Rainbow Mermaid. I love that. That's so cool. Okay, and then we have 10-year anniversary from Wii coin, and then I wonder what anniversary. Does it say what year or what anniversary it is for BladeHQ? I mean, I honestly can't remember how long exactly they've been around. Of course, we've got more stuff in here, and there is also a knife. Oh my gosh, look at all of this stuff. This is great. We got the mini knife slips, the mini knife pouches, right, with the three. It's like maybe a little 3-slot for a pen or a tool or a little knife. We got some little patches. We have do we have the crispy donut it says the donut shop, and then those must be lanyard beads. More of the pouches. Yes, of course there's a knife. It's Father's Day, of course. I should know, being a dad myself. Anyways, Father's Day, the information. Awesome. Oh, extra stuff for your kids. That's so nice. They will lose their minds over some of this, for sure. But I love that. There's a couple more things. Oh, we got it's a little keychain. Yeah, thank you. Oh, heck yeah, look at the dice there. That's so cool. I love stuff like this. I get a lot of knives, and I love knives, but I do like, sometimes just specific throwbacks to little things and inside jokes. It just makes it really fun. And I love that, because that Rainbow Mermaid knife has been like an icon in this community everybody knows what it is and everybody gets the joke. It's just fun. I appreciate BladeHQ kind of leaning into it. In fact, I think we could argue that the Rainbow Mermaid knife kind of ironically inspired a lot of stuff that we as the community enjoy collecting in kind of that same humorous aesthetic. It almost became kind of serious. I don't know. So we obviously have, so it's a mini Iridium. I have a guess as to what this is going to look like. Yep. Oh, that's so great. That's great. I think I had The larger one, was it the larger one or the last one that I had? I'm pretty sure. So it's D2 and probably not even, I'm not even sure if it's Cerakote, right? It might just be paint, but honestly, it doesn't really matter. It's just a really fun knife. And so this will be available probably on or slightly after Father's Day, I'm guessing, right? But you should take the time of this video upload as an indicator. This is pre-recorded and it will drop on a day where it is beneficial for you guys. So the link should take you to this specifically, and then ultimately to their Father's Day event. So yeah, very, very cool. So I have reviewed, I think this is the mini Iridium. So I've reviewed the Iridium. I love it. In fact, I own, let me think. I own 4 different Iridium models. I really like the Iridium. Whether it's the budget one or it's one of the super cool fancy ones, right? But this mini one, I'm trying to remember whether or not I have actually reviewed the mini one. I wouldn't mind using this particular model in order to review it. But ultimately, this will be something that gets given away on a live stream. You guys know that I have 750,000, that number's coming up, 750,000, and I did promise to do an event very near the time where I actually hit that subscriber mark. And here lately we've been aggressively climbing towards it. So perhaps I can do some fun items, some stuff that's like really, obviously really expensive, but also just some fun items as well. And just, make it a big community event. And then, as we continue to hopefully eventually climb towards 1 million subscribers on this channel. Yeah, I appreciate BladeHQ sending this. I'm tempted to get this one out, but I also want to make sure that it's brand new for the person who receives it. So this is the Power Pint. At least that's how I'm going to say it. Multi-tool. Twice the grip with compound leverage. That's kind of neat. As far as less expensive multi-tools go, there's a number of different brands that you can go with. Like if you ask me, like should you buy one of those like $10 to $15 multi-tools at your local hardware store? The answer is definitely not. Absolutely do not do that. Those things are garbage. But I can also understand why people don't want to spend $100 on a Leatherman. There are plenty of brands out there in the $40 to $50 territory that make a decent multi-tool, and from what I've heard, SOG is one of those companies. SOG definitely makes a lot of really, really good stuff. They've made stuff in the past where I'm like, yikes, but they've also made really, really good stuff. So SOG's definitely capable of it. I haven't taken this out yet, but it wouldn't surprise me at all if this is, absolutely a fine tool. But yeah, I do appreciate all this. My kids will absolutely love the rainbow coins, and I'll make sure that I've got at least one extra to give away. And then the other coins as well, for sure. Very, very cool. Thank you so much for sending this stuff. Appropriate links down in the description. If I haven't taken a look at the Iridium, the mini Iridium, then I will definitely review it. So anyways, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do not like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.